This is Dan Gritsko, and I'm at the boulder field on top of Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. It's pretty incredible to be at the rooftop of the mountain state. So in a state known for mountains, this is the tallest mountain in the state. And from this boulder field, it is pretty incredible. Wow. Interestingly enough, we were here looking that direction yesterday and a storm came up, big old thunderstorm, and being in the highest point of West Virginia wasn't helpful, so we headed out, but we came back today and super amazing and wonderful to see this incredible location. If you've never been here, come and check out Spruce Knob, and if you wander a little bit through a rock field, but you got to be careful, and I think there might be another trail going below. There's this really neat little boulder field up here, and that's where we're having a picnic and enjoying the day.